Older men often find themselves attracted to younger women, but did you know that a staggering 98% of them have no clue what truly captivates these younger ladies? Today, we're diving into these little-known secrets that will significantly enhance your appeal and elevate your charm, putting you in the elite 2% who truly get it. Ready to uncover the unknown? Let's dive in. Starting with number 10, noticing and complimenting the details. Number 10, lightly brushing her lips. There's something deeply intimate about lightly brushing her lips with your thumb or finger. In a quiet moment, gently touch her lips as a subtle way to show affection and desire. This tender action demonstrates a nuanced and considerate approach that often comes with greater life experience, creating a sense of profound intimacy and understanding that younger men might overlook. Number 9, whisper a compliment. Imagine you're at a busy event, and you spot a charming young woman in the corner. Whether you know her or not, you approach her and whisper a genuine compliment in her ear. A sincere comment like "you look radiant tonight" or "your smile lights up the room" can create a warm, intimate connection amidst the noise. This tender, confident gesture highlights the maturity and self-confidence of older men, which many younger women find attractive, as it conveys security and genuine interest. Number 8, developing private signals. Creating private signals with her is like having a secret language only you two understand. Nonverbal cues, like a touch on her arm to signal that you're thinking about her or a specific glance suggesting you want to be alone, build a unique connection and a fun, playful dynamic. These private signals create an exclusive bond and fulfill a psychological desire for a stable connection, which older men often offer through their life experience and emotional maturity. Number 7, offering a sensual massage. A gentle massage can be incredibly intimate, showing that you care about her comfort and pleasure. Offering to massage her shoulders or neck is both relaxing and thoughtful, a way to connect physically and emotionally without words. Use gentle, slow movements, focusing on her tension points. This simple act of care and attention evokes a sense of safety and reliability, qualities often associated with the emotional maturity of older men. Number 6, complimenting her in another language. Whispering compliments in a foreign language can be incredibly seductive. If she finds a particular language attractive, learning a few phrases like "you're beautiful" or "I adore you" will impress her. Whisper them in her ear and watch her reaction. This unique approach adds sophistication and charm, and the effort shows that you're willing to go the extra mile to make her feel special and appreciated. Number 5, noticing and complimenting the details. Younger women love it when older men notice the small details. It shows that you're attentive and appreciate their efforts. Compliments on specific details, like her choice of lingerie, the intricate pattern of her earrings, or the subtle shade of her nail polish, make a big impression. This attention to detail reflects a high level of appreciation for her personal style. Well-timed compliments like "that top looks great on you" or "I love the color of your nail polish" show sincerity and keen observation. Such attention fulfills a psychological need for stability and security that older men often provide. Older men know their preferences and maintain a calm, steady presence, giving younger women a sense of reliability. Number 4, prolonged hand holding. Holding hands may seem simple, but letting your hand linger a bit longer can be meaningful. Younger women appreciate this as it shows connection and security. Whether you're walking together or sitting close, a prolonged handhold signals your presence and engagement, evoking a comforting sense of stability and reliability that older men often provide. Number 3. Complimenting her softly on her skin. Complimenting her skin can be a very intimate gesture. Say something like, "Your skin is so soft," or "I love how smooth your skin feels," in a gentle, sincere tone. It shows you noticed the little things, making her feel cherished and appreciated. This thoughtful compliment aligns with the appeal of maturity, as it reflects the experience to appreciate finer details. Number 2. The calm demeanor of older men. Older men often approach challenges calmly, knowing the right words to say and when to pause. When a younger man might storm out of a situation, an older man tends to be calmer, creating a sense of understanding and intimacy. This steady demeanor can lead to greater closeness, providing younger women with a sense of reliability and security. Number 1. Thoughtful gestures and responsibility. Younger women are drawn to thoughtful gestures that show you're paying attention to them, like surprising her with her favorite drink or planning a date around her interests. These small actions make a big difference, showing her that you care. A sense of responsibility is also incredibly attractive. Simple actions like tidying up after yourself or maintaining your space show that you're self-sufficient and reliable. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.